Hello everybody and hi Carol. Thank you for the inviting for this interview and sorry for the late. Bom dia! Tudo bem? Eu não falo português. But I can speak English, so I will continue in English. Sorry. I came from Hungary, just a small country with approximately 10 million people. Our capital name is Budapest. My name is Gabor and in this moment I am in Austria. So you can see the mountains in the background. It's a really nice place. My friend lives here and I'm just visiting him. This is my hat. It's really cool because the most time my ears freezing and it's so warm. But this cap, this hat is not mine. This hat, it's an English practice lesson. It's good for me. Thanks for everyone. I got this cat. I got this cat. Where is the cat? I am hungry.
Alright, so this is Erin. Erin Cha, that's right. I came from Hungary. Hungary? Oh, I don't know. I live in Budapest. Great city. It's a wonderful city for sure. Yeah. So what the first thing you would do if you were me? You grab a fucking big beer and start it. I mean, I start drinking every fucking weekend. I grab a beer. I just hit the city. I go for some friends, for some music, some party, you know, maybe just for some walking. Budapest is just great. I'm telling you, many parties, nice people from all around the world because tourists are just spreading the whole city. Nice places to see. Nice music as well. Fuck, I'm freezing here. Could you maybe your head? Could you maybe lend it to me? Yeah, that's better. Actually, yeah. So maybe this is time to just say goodbye to the cat. Oh, fuck, I'm fucking hungry. Okay, see you later, my friend.
Hello, what's happening here?
What is happening here? Making this Hungarian traditional dish called marha pörkölt. You really want to cook this for like 4 hours. 4 hours. So this is a long thing. And we are kind of hungry already because we are Hungarians. Yeah!
Yeah!
Alright!
Alright! We like to eat! Always! Everything!
So, not being able to catch that fucking cat, decided to do something more delicious, like this stew here. But need to wait for like 3-4 hours. So thinking of like eating some, I don't know what, maybe some eggs, liver. You know liver? Do you have liver in Brazil? Yeah. Veal. You know veal? Liver. This is the young cow veal. And some salami maybe. Yeah.
Alright, that's the best.
Yeah. No question about that. Some salami.
Yummy.
Yeah. Vichuela. Oh no. Vichuela.
I don't know.
Vichuela.
I don't know.
Vichuela. They will know. Vichuela. Don't really know. Ah. Yeah. Sure. This one. Beer. That's it. My old cheese. Really disgusting, but tastes still good.
Take a deep breath.
Really old. Bought it like 2 weeks ago.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You can eat this.
Yeah. It's same.
You're a crazy
Yeah.
guy.
But it's still good. It's still good. Mamma mia.
Oh my god.
Buonissimo. Well.
Okay, so let's start to eat. See you later.
Ciao.
Yeah, so this is kind of marha pörkölt. It's a beef stew. Yeah. with smashed potatoes. Yes, and we will try it. So Erwin will be the
The judge.
yes. Okay.
I think it's perfect.
You will stay alive?
Yeah, actually this is my first chew, so...
Oh, okay, good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this case, bon appetit.
Yeah.
Your face looks sad. It's not that wow, it's awesome or something like that.
It is! Maybe this is because of the late hours. It's 10 o'clock
It's
already.
too late. Okay, or maybe later. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit late for lunch.
I still haven't decided whether it's going to be eating or sleeping.
Yeah.
Maybe both.
Yeah, it will be a heavy dinner.
Yeah.
But it's good for us. We are Hungarians, you know. Okay, say goodbye and
Okay, cheers.
ciao.
Dankeschön.
Look. Cool. Thank you, Carol, to asking me to make this video, and I am really happy to meet you and meet everyone there in Brazil. Now this is winter and we are freezing, so my friend hand is shaking, so I should just stop speaking now because we are really freezing now and we should to eat something like that cat. So thank you so much and ciao for everyone. Ciao.
Bye to Dubai. Bye bye to bye bye to you. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. How do you say this?
Ciao.
Ciao. Okay. Ciao. Besos.
Keep alive.
Okay. He got lucky. That's